If you want to start a business in New York, the first step is to visit Business Express. This is the state's official site where you can find out exactly what licenses or permits your business will need and apply for them in one place. The type of filing depends on your business structure. Sole proprietors and general partnerships file in the county where the business is located. Corporations file a certificate of incorporation with the Department of State. Limited liability companies file articles of organization, and limited partnerships file a certificate of limited partnership. Next, apply for a federal tax ID, also called an EIN. This is done through the IRS, and it only takes a few minutes online. After that, register as a New York State sales tax vendor if your business will collect sales tax. You'll apply for a certificate of authority with the Department of Taxation and Finance. Licensing and permitting is all managed through Business Express. You'll need an ny.gov ID to submit applications and keep track of your permits online. You should also make sure you have the right insurance. Most businesses will need unemployment insurance and workers' compensation. Depending on your setup, you may also need disability insurance or health insurance. Before opening your doors, it helps to use the state's resources for planning and support. The Small Business Development Center offers free counseling and training. Empire State Development provides technical help and financing options. For research, tools like SizeUp and the Department of Labor Data Center can give you insights into competitors, wages, and local tax rates.